Good morning everybody, Digger, I'm here. I've just let the hens out. So I was meant to let my cocks out first this morning, but I did it the wrong way round. It's both ready. Oh, a nice wee tumble there. What, you seen that? I've not got your skills, Lindsay, to slow-mo my video. You'll need to learn how to do that. Live just says press record or press live. So I press record all the time. I tell you the route every day. I'm still out flying, I usually miss it. I'm just going to sit with my cuppa. She's down there waiting on me, in front of that cushion on the table. And I'm going to enjoy watching my birds. Keep my eye on that wee white one. Because when I'm watching them in the sky, why are the Egan's splitting up for them? The younger ones. Sorry. Usually when I'm working about, I've like missed getting my iPad and just watching, because that's a couple of my youngins, but I'm trying to scan the sky too to see why they're breaking up. Nothing seems to be in the sky, but it could be because they're no longer up and they're young. When they're young and they're no longer up, they're daft, they scatter. So they do. No, that's a swallow. Let's see if I can see them over this way. The other there. It was 8 o'clock when I put them up this morning. Just see what time it is. They've not been up that long. And they will let you, Joe. I don't get four. Oh, here. There we go, it's 8:30. My birds have been up half an hour this morning. On you go, babies. I'm maybe saying 10 minutes in my videos all the time, and it's maybe a good half an hour they've been up. We're getting a nice wee height today. See if I could get my cocks to do that, it'd be great. But they know the cocks are only interested in coming out, flying up to the roof, coming back down and trying to get into that pink loft beside all the ladies, and they're not getting it. That's excellent flying for the hens and the young today. Look at that, folks. And like I say, they've been up there a good half an hour. I keep saying 10 minutes in my videos when it's obviously a bit longer. And there the wee four that had scattered were flying themselves there, tucked in near them. You can hear all the noisy. Hope you're picking them up in there. God love them. I'll make their wee bath with their bath salts for them coming down, and they can get a wee bath with their bath salts. No, I can't actually, I take that back, I'm telling pure lies. Because they had their second treatment with the Osmond Lystit, I'll not be giving them access to a bath. They'll be waiting, and then they'll just get dipped once a week, just to be safe. if I can do that with that stuff, it doesn't say anything like on the bottle. I'll just use it once a week in the bath. Just till that's done. I think the next time we'll try the drops, because it is pretty stressful on some of the birds. They don't like it and they sit like drowned rats. But it says that you've got to do that dip a few times, because if there's eggs there, they can hatch in a couple of days and they can bust open again. So it tells you to do it like 6 days for every 6 days for a couple of weeks, I think it said. Till there's eventually no sign. As I said, all my tumblers, you can't see them unless it's in the white bits. But I've no noticed any really on them. It was the whitings I was noticing it on. But when I get them done and get them in, they look as if they're coming down a wee bit. I don't know. No. If I get them in, I'll give them all a good check and hopefully it'll be alright. Still got some out there and I sprayed all the hut with Virkill. I don't understand why I'm getting a real lice problem, because I keep, as you can, I keep my lofts cleaner than my house. My pigeons live cleaner than me. So I've had to really cut away a wee bit of lino at the flare and get in a bit on my corners, and I noticed I had one really bad damp corner where I had a wee problem. So I need to go into that kind of ASAP. My heroes are getting sick.